I used to think people sitting up here were either millionaires or just lucky, but I just booked this $12,000 Emirates first class suite for less than the price of a Starbucks latte. And the crazy part, I didn't spend weeks researching. I let a couple of AI tools do the dirty work for me in under 10 minutes. Today, I'm showing you the exact three-step AI prompt and the secret search engine that's going to break the travel industry in 2026. Let's get you in a lie flat bed. Look, travel hacking used to be a full-time job. You had to memorize transfer partners, check 40 different airline sites, and pray for award space. It was exhausting. But in 2026, we have PointsYeah and iMean AI. Think of them like a high-speed stock trading floor, but for airplane seats. They scan millions of data points per second to find the mistake fares and the award seats that airlines try to hide. Step 1 is the daydream phase. If you have Chase, Amex, or Capital One points sitting there, you're losing money to inflation. Go to PointsYeah. I use their multi-date search because I'm flexible. I just want luxury. Look at this. I put in New York to Tokyo. A normal search shows $8,000 for business class, but when I toggle the AI-optimized filter, it finds a seat on ANA for 55,000 points. That's a 12-cent per point value. That is insane. If you see a green transfer bonus icon, stop everything. That means your points are worth even more than you think. Now, what if you don't have enough points? This is where iMean AI comes in. I literally typed, "Find me the cheapest way to get from London to Bali using a mix of Avios points and cash, but I only want to fly on a plane with a bar." Within seconds, it built a custom itinerary that no human travel agent would ever find. It found a hidden city ticket that saved me $1,200. It's like having a genius travel hacker living in your pocket 24/7. Here's the truth. The airlines don't want you to know these tools exist. They want you to spend your points on toasters and gift cards where 1 point equals 1 cent. Don't do that. Use the AI. Spend 10 minutes today playing with PointsYeah, it's free, and see where you could be waking up next month. I've linked the exact AI prompts I used in the description below, along with my favorite credit cards to start your points bank. If you want me to do a deep dive on how to use AI to get hotel suites for free next, drop a comment saying, "Hotel." Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in first class.